Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today I'm super excited to share a very tasty dessert recipe with you. This really doesn't require much ingredients, and this is a no-bake cheesecake bars. I made this in a bite-sized bars, but you can also make this in a cake tin. So let's start by mixing some powdered biscuit with melted butter. Here I have used normal arrowroot biscuits, but you can also use digestive biscuit. Add enough butter till it becomes a crumble texture. Now transfer that into any tray lined with parchment paper. And if you want the biscuit base to be a bit more thicker, you can take a smaller tin. You have to level it up really well and press it firmly with the back of a spatula. Now you have to keep this in freezer for around 30 minutes to 1 hour till it becomes really firm. Meanwhile, in a bowl, add in room temperature cream cheese, top it up with some vanilla essence and add in powdered sugar. Now blend that really well. And here I am adding 1 cup of blended strawberry and beat it really well. Now add this strawberry cream cheese mixture on top of the biscuit base. Fill in all the sides and slightly level it up. Now I kept this in freezer overnight. And when you take it out from freezer, you can see it has set beautifully. Just open the butter paper from the sides. Now here I have started cutting it into small bite-sized pieces. You can cut this into any of your desired shapes. You can also use a cookie cutter to cut out different beautiful designs. And when you cut through these cheesecake bars, you can see small bits and bites of strawberry pieces, which looks so beautiful and gives a good crunch in each bite. It's so delicious to have it just like that, but I'm gonna take one more step further, and I dip the top portion of the cheesecake bars in melted chocolate. These chocolate coating on top of our cheesecake bars take our dessert to another level. You can top it up with some biscuit powder or chocolate chips or even white chocolate shavings. Now these cheesecake bars are like ice creams. It'll melt very fast, so you have to freeze it till you serve it. These tangy flavored sweet desserts are really addictive. Once you try it, you will get to know. So do try out this recipe and give your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up for this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Google+, and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.